So, good day everyone. Good day, Ma'am Paredes. I am Sandara Siamahoy from the BSED English 1B, and this is the chapter 7 of our discussion, which is the continuing professional development or the CPD. So, this is our objectives. Explain why CPD is necessary for professional teachers. Discuss pertinent of CPD Act of 2016 and other related legal documents. Then third, commit to continuing professional development. And I hope that at the end of our discussion, we are able to understand why CPD is necessary, and also we are able to know the pertinent of CPD Act of 2016, and masabtan ninyo ang ako ang discussion for this video. So, I hope that maminaw mo og tarong because at the end of this discussion na mga questions nga i-ask sa inyo. So, I hope that you are maminaw mo. So let's start with the Enactment Act. Enactment of RA 10912, the CPD Law of 2016. CPD for all professionals regulated by PRC is now mandatory. So kining continuing professional development is para ni sa tanan nga professionals that regulated by the PRC. So dili lang ni siya para sa professional teachers, but also to all professionals. Next is the CPD for all professional teachers is not an option. It is a necessity. So CPD, it is not an option. Dili siya butang or nga buhaton lang nimo o ganahan ka, no? It is a necessity. It is kailangan yun siya. Kailangan siya buhaton. Need siya. Next is CPD for professional teachers, sharpens the professional teacher competitive edge in highly competitive global world. So, kailangan yung CPD yun is very importante yun siya. And in order nga kaya po na ito makipagsabayan sa other country when it comes sa pag-teach sa and also the kanang quality teaching gani, 'di ba? Makasabay sabta sa other nga country, no. So ang isa sa mga way ana is ang CPD or continuing professional development. Next is okay, na sa atong discussion proper. It is the continuing development plan or the CPD. So it is an act mandating and strengthening the continuing development program for all regulated professionals. So CPD is an act no mandating to strengthening the continuing development program. So na mga program nga gina-implement ang government. So isa dira ang CPD, no. So this act mandating and strengthening the continuing development program. Again, dili lang professional teachers but to all professionals. Next is, so we have the philosophical basis of CPD. So first, we have the growth is an evidence of life. Man and woman is an unfinished project. No person has arrived perfect. So next, growth is an evidences of life. So physically, mentally, emotionally, psychologically, socially, spiritually. If nag-grow ka ani, it means that you have life, 'di ba? Para sa isa ka kahoy, if nag-grow ang isa ka kahoy, it means na siya life, 'di ba? So ikaw po if nag-grow ka, na kay life, 'di ba? Dili man ibig sabihin nga ano ka kanang basta if nag-grow ka then you have a life in this aspect sa ato ang life mentally, physically, psychologically, emotionally, then 'di ba? You have the life, na kay life. Next is man and woman is an unfinished project. So, always in the process of becoming better and better as a person and as a professional. So, wala gyud tao nga gipanganak nga perfect na siya diretso, di ba? Kuan gani ng quote nga nobody's perfect, di ba? So, always in the process. So we human are always in the process of becoming better and better, di ba? Na magyud sa ato ang like na nasa nature na nato nga I need to be better, di ba? Daghan sa aspects sa atong life na kailangan nato maging better, no? So we always in the process, nagyud ta permis sa process of becoming a better as a person and also as a professional teachers. Labi na sa tuwa kay mga ano man ta mga future educators. So dapat nasa tong mind that we are always in the process, no? Like always nasa process. Next is no person, no professional can claim that he or she has already arrived at a perfect state of perfection. So, walay professional or walay si bisan kinsa nga tao ang makaklaim nga ay perfect ko, di ba? It is not ano pod kanang istorya lang no. Nasa if nagabasa mo og Bible, then you will ma-read din yun siya didto nga Bible says that nobody's perfect, 'di ba? Walay tao nga matarong, 'di ba? Wala bisan isa. So dili ka pwede maka-claim, even the Bible nag-ingon na siya nga walay tao nga perfect din. Kisa pa man ka para mag-claim nga you are perfect, 'di ba? So no person, no professional can claim that he or she has already arrived at a perfect state or the state of perfection. So, next is no person has arrived perfect. Balik-balik, no? So, na po siya diri nga kanang ihang mga ano. This means that no professional has arrived at a perfect state. Mata ko imong kagayon na nga. If, dili man ibig sabihin na professional na ka is you are perfect na, di ba? Wala may perfect na tao. Beyond professional pa ka, no? Di ba ka perfect? The next is every professional is expected to continue developing. So, if professional na ka, then you're expected to continue developing. Dili kay pag professional na ka, ay sige, chill lang ko, kay professional naman ko, kabalo na ko sa tanan, ingon na imo ang mindset. So, dili na. So, if you are professional, then you are expected to continue developing. Then next is the historical and legal basis of continuing development plan in the Philippines. So CPD was already allowed to in the 1987 Philippine Constitution, no less than the fundamental law of the land section and paragraph 4 states that the state shall enhance the right of teacher to professional advancement. So, CPD is allowed na ni siya sa 1987 Philippine Constitution, which is ang atong ginayuse karon nga Constitution. Diba? Naka-state dito sa paragraph 4, sa land section, paragraph 4 nga, the state shall enhance the right of teacher to professional advancement. It means that if teacher ka, you have the right to kanang i-enhance imong professional advancement. You have the right to improve your skills, 'di ba? You have the right, naka nga right. So walay makaingon sa imuha nga ay dili ka pwede ni mag-attend ani nga webinars, or dili ka pwede nga kanang mag-improve, di ba? Naka-state na dito sa 1987 Philippine Constitution that you have the right no nga improve imong kagalingon. Dili lang improve ang imong kagalingon and also improve ang kung sa man ang imong field nga nakuha, di ba? So you have the right to improve yourself, to improve especially sa teachers, to improve your teaching, to improve your knowledge, skills, di ba? Next is the Batas Pambansa 232, the Education Act of 1982, Chapter 3, Duties and Obligations, Section 14, and Section 16 rather, 4. So, states one of teacher obligation is to assume the responsibility to maintain and sustain his professional growth and advancement. So, naka-state dito sa Batas Pambansa 232 sa duties and obligation that obligation nimo or responsibility nimo to maintain and sustain your professional growth and advancement. So, it is your responsibility, but the government, tabangan kanila, di ba? Na yung mga programs nga i-implement ang government para pod makatabang sa imuha in order to sustain your professional growth and advancement. So, an act of instituting a framework of governance for basic education, establishing authority and accountability, renaming the Department of Education, and for the other purposes. So, mao ni siya. You have the responsibility, yun mo nga, you have the responsibility to maintain your growth and advancement as a professional. Then, next, in the section 7A, in addition to his or her power under existing laws, the Secretary of Education shall have the authority and responsibility among other things. So, the Secretary of Education have the responsibility, no? So, employment status, kung saan ang status, syempre sila yung nasasakupan sa mga employee, professional competent, kung saan naka-competent ang mga teachers when it comes to teaching, then the welfare or the health sa sa mga teachers, sa mga employee. The next is the working condition. Next is the Section 7E, consistent with the national education policies and plans and standard the school heads shall have. So, if you are nakipangarap nga mag-school head, then authority, accountability, responsibility. So, you have the authority and the responsibility to encourage your staff development. So, dili pwede na, if you are anang school head ka, pasagdaan lang nimo ang imong mga staff o imong staffs, teachers, nga dili nga na stagnant kana ganing wala nag-develop, diba? Wala nag-grow, di ba? Wala nag-grow, wala nag-improve sa iyang skills, di ba? So as a school heads, you have the responsibility to encourage your staff nga ay attend mo ani nga webinars, attend mo ani nga workshops, di ba? If nakabantay mo nga na mga ay some teachers nga kanang wala kay tungod kay gipadala sa ngani nga place to attend their workshop, no, ah isa sab na sa pamaagi to improve their knowledge, to improve their skills, mo na ang isa sa way pod, di ba? So if you are gusto ka mag-principal, so it is your responsibility to encourage your staff to attend or to participate in the activity nga gi-implement sa government para mas ma-develop ang ilang skills, knowledge, and para ma-improve ilang kaugalingon. And also, para ma-improve po ang teaching. Kaya nag-focus man ta sa teachers. So, that is the end of my discussion. So, the next topic will be the RA 7836. No? So, i-discussion ni Miss Timbal. So, I hope guys that you've learned naka-learn mo karon sa ato ang video discussion. Then I hope that na sabtan ninyo ug na-achieve nato ang atong objectives na to understand why is CPD necessary for professional teachers. Then if you have any questions or clarifications, pwede ko ninyo i-message or pwede ninyo i-comment if ma-post na nako ni nga video. So I hope guys nakasabot ra gyud mo, no. So sorry if hinay akong tingog kay it is gabi na. And so as a conclusion, CPD is very important or necessary gyud for professional teachers para pud ma-improve ang atong skills, ang atong to gain more knowledge, no, kay bata pa kay ta guys, di ba, no? Same sa akong giingon kagaina nga wala nag-stop ang learning pag ni-graduate na ka sa imong profession nga gina-take, di ba? You are expected to continue developing kay we have so many things to explore pag yun guys and to learn throughout our journey, di ba? So that's all for these videos. I hope nga nakasabot mo. Then if you have questions or clarification, feel free to um to chat me, no, or to comment if ma-post na nako ni nga video. Thank you everyone and goodbye.